You have to try these garma garam sattu cucumber kulchas. They are so crispy, wholesome and nutritious. Sattu is one of India's biggest superfood and is full of protein and a good source of nutrients. So let's see how to make it. This kulcha turns out to be so crispy on the edges and soft inside because of the cucumber. We will start by squeezing the excess water out of the grated cucumber, and then we will make a soft dough using whole wheat atta and cucumber juice. Cover and let it rest, and now let's make the filling. Mix together sattu with the grated cucumber and some mango pickle for that tanginess, green chilies and ginger and few masalas. Make sure to mix this gently since we don't want the cucumber to release the water that will make our filling wet. To make the kulcha, place the cucumber sattu filling inside the atta and seal the edges and roll it. And now comes the fun part. We will wet these kulcha from one side, place them on hot tawa, turn the tawa upside down and cook it until you get that classic golden brown spots. Top it off with some ghee for that ultimate softness, and these satisfying protein-packed kulchas are ready to be served with some rasse wala aloo, some chutney and yogurt. Hope you like the recipe. Head on to my blog for more detailed recipe. Enjoy!